So there are a number of things that you can do to keep your deeper sonar in tip-top condition, and these are: number one, always store your deeper sonar in a moisture-free environment. Number two, do not leave your deeper sonar in very hot or very cold conditions for long periods of time. Number three, do not leave your deeper wet. Once you have finished using it, dry it off, store it away, and ensure that it's always packed away dry. So number four is always protect your deeper from physical damage. So whether that's in your tackle box or tackle bag, or whilst out on the bank, so on the ground or rocks or any other kind of features, always ensure that you protect your deeper from hitting any of these objects. Damaging your sonar in this way could deem it irreparable. Now, in regards to cleaning your deeper sonar, there are some very simple steps that you can follow. Now, if your deeper gets excessively dirty, now you can clean it with a soft cloth and a mild detergent solution. Never use any type of abrasive pad or alcohol-based solvent, as this could damage the outer casing of your sonar. Now, cleaning the water sensors at the bottom of your sonar can be done with a soft cloth or a sponge. Also, an electronic contact cleaner can also be used. Always check the base and the top cover threads for any signs of dirt or debris. Never attempt to fix the top cover back onto the base without removing the dirt first. Always check the bolt attachment positions for any signs of dirt or debris before screwing in your bolt attachment.